The 2021 Ford F-150 Hybrid takes the idea of a full-size truck and reimagines it for today's demanding buyer. Is this your next rig? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Ford, and then select F-150. We make it easy to find what you want fast. For 2021, Ford's popular full-size truck received a major refresh. And perhaps the most impressive change is the addition of an all-new hybrid engine option. New F-150s start at only $28,950. However, the trim we're testing today is a top-end Platinum 4x4 Super Crew with almost every option available, including the hybrid powertrain. Prices you see it here, $75,390, including destination. Under the hood is what Ford calls the 3.5-liter Power Boost Hybrid V6. This switches between electric and gas power seamlessly, all while producing up to 430 horsepower and up to 570 pound-feet of torque. This is connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time four-wheel drive. EPA rates this setup at 24 miles to the gallon, both in town and on the highway, which is a major improvement over standard F-150 engine options. In the back is a lined bed with the optional power liftgate and a pull-out step for easy access. If you add the Pro Power feature, the F-150 Hybrid can provide up to 7.2 kilowatts of power to tools and other accessories in the field. This is enough to power a plasma cutter, just in case you were curious. Smaller Pro Power systems are also available on traditional non-hybrid F-150s. The lighting kit adds illumination for work when the sun goes down. The crew cab has enough room to seat 5 comfortably. The second row accommodations are first class with seat heaters and several power options for mobile accessories. The front row is a truck owner's dream. The leather seats are fully adjustable with available heating and massage. To make room for work, the transmission lever folds flush, providing a level surface. Towing capacity is rated at up to 12,400 pounds for properly equipped hybrid models. A brake controller is easily accessible, and the truck provides lots of useful information for hitching and hauling, both in the main digital cluster as well in the main infotainment screen. And speaking of this screen, it is one of the best systems on the market, with lots of features, options, and the ability to configure multiple views. It also supports both Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto for mobile device integration. Driving the F-150 is an amazing experience. Due to the large electric motor, power comes on fast, at which point the gas motor takes over without fuss for smooth acceleration across the power band. Thanks to the full suite of safety tech, the new F-150 also helps you navigate safely, with blind spot warnings including trailer coverage, collision mitigation, lane keep with adaptive cruise control, and a full surround view system with backup camera. If you're looking for a truck that will work as hard as you do, the Ford F-150 Hybrid is a new, innovative choice. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see all the options from Ford. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Ford dealer today.